there's total homogenization happening, that everybody is thinking alike, everybody is being cloned by modern knowledge system. So the first thing I became aware is that everybody is creating everything alike, which means that our sense of beauty has become one. So it's not just what we do, even what we eat has now become almost becoming same. So at all levels there is total homogenization that is happening. So I became aware of it when I was learning at a design school, NID. I realized that if everybody is taught the same aesthetic sense, naturally everybody will produce the same thing. Not only that, what we are being taught is what has been developed in the Western format, in their sensibility. So what is education doing is to completely turn the whole world into another replica of the West. Whether it is lifestyle, whether it is aesthetic sense, your food, everything is being kind of homogenized. So the food is not so relevant, evident now, but it's happening. Almost youngsters are now preferring what is regularly available in a mass produced kind of thing, which is actually already happened in the West. Homogenization of food. But what it is doing is to create machines out of human beings. And actually the root can be seen at introduction of schools, which actually is a great pity, because it is distracting the inherent ability of human beings to learn. As biological beings, all biological beings are doing nothing but learning. All biological beings are learning beings. That's all what it is doing. But somehow the modern man has completely misunderstood this idea of, and we have established schools and we have established teaching. So two biggest damage that we do is that, one, we think there is a ready-made knowledge that children need to learn, number one. Second is that they need to be taught. Both are against the nature of true learning. And each of your cell is learning. It's not your mind that is learning. Your whole being is constantly learning about the world, and finding a way to be here in a most sustainable, most right manner. That's what each species is trying to do. But somehow the modern man has turned against all this, and he's created a havoc. It's destroyed all life forms. That's what it is doing. So the whole thing is that of course we need to start with the point where our destruction is happening, which are schools, and then throughout the educational paradigm, this is what we are doing. So the issue is that many people are aware of the problems of schooling, but they are trying to solve the solutions within the paradigm of schools only. So what they are trying to do is to create a better school, or they are trying to create better teaching method. So the paradigm is always how to teach, which is actually diametrically, that is what destroys the life of a being. You are a result of teaching. I came to know that children are learning, and there is a natural system to that. Well, initially it was accidental. Then almost 35 years I researched on this. What exactly are the children learning? So another thing that led me to this is that when I started living with non-literate people, I realized that actually non-literates are learning the real world, and we are reading and learning its description. And we are, by that, what it is doing is that we are rewiring your brain to understand the written word, and because of that we are not connecting with the real world, because the real world needs other abilities: sensing, observation, silence, not questioning, not thinking. This is not what is required when you want to understand the real world. You need to observe. You need to be really part of that life to understand it. Whereas what education does to you is to turn you into a thinker. No observation, no silence, no staying quiet, no thinking all the time. So these actually are two diametrically opposite cognitive processes, and unfortunately now we are in the realm of reading, thinking, reasoning, reading, thinking, reasoning. This is what we are doing. That, and it doesn't seem that in the near future that is even going to end, because people are not even wanting to admit that that is itself is a problem. So the basic issue with an educated mind is that because they think they are educated, subconsciously they feel superior to everything else that is happening around them. So there is no way they can reflect what is wrong with them, but they assume that things are all nice. So there is already a catch-22 situation where you are damaged, yet you think you are doing the best. So this is the problem of modern, system. So imagine the faculty of understanding itself is damaged, and you don't know that it's damaged. So it's like a matrix-like situation where you are just not aware what is wrong with you. And whoever is possible to teach you what is wrong with you, you consider them as inferior. Like, for example, children or rural tribal people who have not gone to school, because you want to change them. That is your attitude. Na? But if you sit quietly with rural tribal people, observe what they are doing without your judgment, you will find that there is a completely different sustainable way of living, which we have missed out.